Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Aarti. So recently I purchased few stationery items from Amazon and I thought to show you guys what I bought. I have mentioned the product links in the description box in case you want to purchase anything. The first product I purchased from Amazon is this 2021 dated planner by Factor Notes. It's a minimal and classic dated planner. It has a paper quality of 100 GSM, which is quite good for writing purpose. Let's see what section they have given in the planner. So in this section you can note down your top 5 goals. Then they have given pages for your vision board, your mind map, your favorite quotes, then days to remember, your improvement plan for 2021. I really like this section where you can write a letter to your future self, which I think is quite practical, where you can read this letter a year later and you can see how you have progressed so far. So this is quite good. Then they have given section to write about yourself, more about yourself. Then there is a section for timetable, like how your week or day will look like in 2021. Then there is a year calendar, some sections for notes. Every month starts with a cute illustrations like these. So can we admire how cute these illustrations are and how colorful. Then every month has a monthly spread, a section for your budget plan, shopping list, and every month has some of the other activities. I really like the color combination of this. Is really simple but colorful. At the end they have given these sections for your wish list, your reading list, your learning list, your movies to watch, series to watch, your travel list, your food list, which is really nice. They have given some funny notes. Also they have given some storage to store your stickers. They have given some sticker sheets which you can use while planning your day, which is quite cute. So that's it for the planner. I think I am going to use most of this planner. And also it has elastic to keep your planner in place. So overall I really like this product. The second thing I purchased from Amazon is this sketchbook or a notebook by Factor Note. Can we just take a moment and admire how beautiful this cover is? It has a sunflower illustration and a cute quote, which I really like. This sketchbook or notebook, it's in a B6 size. It's quite tiny and travel friendly. It has a 90 GSM paper, and I have bought this in a plain papers. They also has ruled one and the dotted one, but I thought I will be using this for a doodling, so I prefer plain one. So yay for this. it's a really cute. The third thing I purchased is this sketchbook by Paper Plane Design. These are Artist Pro series sketchbook with the 140 GSM paper quality. It's a best sketchbook for mixed media art or for acrylic color. I have already used this for acrylic color and I think it holds acrylic color very well. So thumbs up from me for this product. And this comes in a pack of 2, which is quite economic for what I have paid for it. Also it has cute illustration like these flower illustration, which I really like. The fourth product I got are these sticky notes, which is heart to heart sticky notes by Supple Room. They have really cute stationeries in a pastel colors. If you're looking for some stationeries in a pastel color, Supple Room is the destination. I think I'm going to use these notes in my planner. These have really cute gold foil lettering going on, so yay for these. I really like this. The fifth product is from Supple Room again. These are Boss Babe pencils. कितना क्यूट कलर है इसका. These are really cute. These comes in a pack of 4 and it also has a eraser at the end. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these because these are way cute.